Good morning students, how are you? I hope you are fine. This is Rupali, your English teacher from Vashisht School, Una. Today we'll start chapter number 9, Madam Rides the Bus. Madam Rides the Bus is written by Valika Annan. In this sensitive story, an 8-year-old girl's first bus journey into the world outside her village is also her induction into the mystery of life and death. इसमें एक 8 साल की लड़की की स्टोरी है जो फर्स्ट टाइम बस में जर्नी करती है और वो अपने गांव के बाहर का संसार देखती है एंड आफ्टर दिस जर्नी she enters in the world of mystery which tells her about life and death. She sees the gap between our knowing that there is death and our understanding of it. Let us start the reading. There was a girl named Valyamai who was called Vali for short. एक लड़की थी, उसका नाम वलियामई था और उसको निक नेम वली से जाना जाता था. She was 8 years old and very curious about things. Her age was 8 years and she was very eager to know about things. Her favorite pastime was standing in the front doorway of her house, and her favorite hobby was to stand in the door of the house, in the main door of the house, watching what was happening in the street. And she used to watch the happenings in the street by standing at the door. There were no playmates of her own age on her street, and this was about all she had to do. There were no children of her age, and that's why her only pastime was to stand in the door. But for Vali, standing at the front door was every bit as enjoyable as any of elaborate games other children played. But for Vali, it was as enjoyable as the other sports were for the other children. मतलब बच्चे जितना दरवाजे पे खड़े बच्चे जितना खेल के इंजॉय करते हैं, वली के लिए गेट पे खड़े होना उतना ही इंजॉयबल था. वॉचिंग द स्ट्रीट गेव हर मैनी न्यू अनयूजुअल एक्सपीरियंसेस. तो गली में खड़े होके आते जाते लोगों को देखना और वहाँ पे और जो भी हैपनिंग्स होती थी उन सबको देख के वली को अच्छा लगता था. The most fascinating thing of all was the bus that travelled between her village and the nearest town, and she enjoyed the most the bus which moved between her village and the nearest town. मतलब बस को देखना जो उसके गांव से टाउन में जाती थी वो उसके लिए सबसे अच्छा टाइम होता था. It passed through her street each hour, once going to the town and once coming back. घंटे में एक बार बस जाती थी, एक बार आती थी. The sight of the bus filled each time with a new set of passengers was a source of unending joy for Vali, and every time to see different passengers in the bus gave utmost joy to Vali. Day after day she watched the bus, and gradually a tiny wish crept into her head and grew there. And day after day means daily she saw the bus, and slowly a tiny wish came into her mind and grew there. She wanted to ride the bus. और क्या इच्छा आई उसके मन में कि वो भी बस में चढ़ना चाहती थी. Even if just once, चाहे एक ही बार क्यों नहीं. This wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. This wish became stronger and stronger, and after some time this wish overpowered him. पहले तो ये एक इच्छा थी, लेकिन थोड़े टाइम बाद इस इच्छा ने उसे इतना ओवर पावर कर लिया था, इसके दिमाग में घर कर लिया था कि वो चाहती थी कि वो बस ज़रूर जाए बस में. Vali would stare wistfully at the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. Vali would look Wistfully means she looked longingly at the people who come down from the bus or who board the bus whenever it stopped at the street corner. Their faces would kindle in her longings, and their faces would create different desires in Wally's mind. If one of her friends happened to ride the bus and try to describe the sights of the town to her, Wally would be too jealous to listen and would shout in English, "Proud, proud." और अगर उसके किसी एक फ्रेंड ने भी बस में सफ़र किया और उसको बताया कि मैंने बस में जर्नी की है, तो वो जेलसी फील करती और बोलती, "Proud, proud." Neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word. ना वली को और ना ही उसके फ्रेंड्स को पता था कि इस वर्ड का एक्चुअल मीनिंग क्या है, but they used it often as a slang expression of disapproval. But they used this word often as the informal word, often used within a closed group. Over many days and months, Wally listened carefully to conversation between her neighbors and people who regularly used the bus. और क्योंकि अब बस में जर्नी की इच्छा ने उसके दिमाग पे ओवर पावर कर लिया था उसके दिमाग को, तो अब वो हमेशा जब भी कोई बस की बात होती तो वो बहुत ध्यान से सुनती थी. And she also asked a few discreet questions here and there. And after hearing the talks of the people, she used to ask some careful questions also. This way, she picked up various small details about the bus journey. और इस तरीके से उसने डिटेल्स इकट्ठी कर ली थी जर्नी की. The town was 6 miles from her village. The distance between the town and the village was 6 miles. The fare was 30 paise one way, means 60 paise in all, which is almost nothing at all. तो कहते अगर सोचा जाए तो 30 पैसे कुछ भी नहीं थे. She heard one well-dressed man say. उसने एक आदमी को ये बोलते हुए देखा कि 30 पैसे is not a big amount. But to Wally, who scarcely saw that much money from one month to next, it seemed a fortune. लेकिन वली जिसने इतने पैसे नहीं देखे थे, उसके लिए it was like luck. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. गांव से टाउन में जाने को कितना टाइम लगता था? 45 minutes. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, she could return home on the same bus. मतलब वही बस जाती थी टाउन में और वही वापस आ जाती थी आफ्टर द 15 मिनट स्टे इन द टाउन. तो वो ये सोचती है अगर 45 मिनट्स जाने में लगेंगे बस को और 15 मिनट बस वहाँ रुकेगी फिर चल पड़ेगी, तो वो अगले 45 मिनट्स में वो घर वापस पहुँच सकती है. And be back home by about 2:45. On and on went her thoughts as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. Continuously, her thoughts were regarding the journey in the bus. She was calculating, recalculating, planning, replanning about the planning and replanning only the journey in the bus. So after this much reading of the chapter, there are questions on page number 119. The first question is, what was Wally's favorite pastime? तो वली का favorite pastime क्या था? वो क्या करती थी? To stand on the doorway. So Wally's favorite pastime was to stand in the front doorway of her house. It was to watch what was happening in the street outside. Second is, what was a source of unending joy for Wally? Wally के लिए unending source of joy क्या था? The sight of bus with new passengers every time was the source of unending joy. What was her strongest desire? Her strongest desire was to ride on that bus. Then what did Valli find out about the bus journey? How did she find out the details? मतलब वली को बस जर्नी के बारे में क्या पता चला और क्या डिटेल्स थी? वली फाउंड आउट दैट द टाउन वाज 6 miles फ्रॉम द विलेज. द फेयर वाज 30 paise वन वे. शी फाउंड आउट दीज डिटेल्स अबाउट द बस आफ्टर हियरिंग द पैसेंजर्स कन्वर्सेशन. और उसको ये चीज़ कहाँ से पता चलेगी कि फेयर कितना है, डिस्टेंस कितना है, पैसेंजर्स की बातें सुन के. What do you think Valli was planning to do? Valli क्या करने का प्लान कर रही थी? Valli was planning to ride on the bus. She could take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus. She would reach the town at 1:45. She would be back home by about 2:45. That's all. Tomorrow we'll do part 2 of the same chapter. Okay, bye. Have a nice day, students. Thank you.